Hello students, now we will start question number 6 from exercise 8.3. Question is Juhi sells a washing machine for a rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought? So in the previous case selling price was not given and we have to find selling price, but here cost price is not given and we have to find the cost price. So here you can see that selling price is given and loss percentage is given. So what, as we discussed previously, whatever the loss or profit is there, that is on the cost price, but here cost price is also not given. So for that what we will do, so we know that whenever this type of one quantity or anything is not given, so what we are doing in maths, that we are assuming or we are write down that let the cost price be x. So now if I assume or I let that the cost price is x, so using that, if my loss is 20%, so 20% of x I can write down like this statement, because whatever the loss, that is on the cost price, and cost price we already assume that is how much, x. So to solve this question, what we have to do for that, first of all, here we will write the given data. So selling price of the washing machine is given, which is 13,500, and as I told you, let the CP, that means cost price of the washing machine, be rupees X. So for that, here I can write then loss is given, which is how much, 20%. Now this loss is in what? This particular loss is on cost price. So whatever the profit or loss is there, that is on cost price. So for that, now we know the equation that loss is equal to, we know the equation loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, because in the case of loss, cost price will be higher. So now here we have to find the cost price. So if I will change the side of this cost price, so this negative will become positive. So I can write down this thing that cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So for that, here cost price we assume x and selling price is given, which is how much, 13,500, plus loss is given, which is 20% of x, because whatever the loss is there, that is on the cost price. So for that, 13,500 plus 20 upon 100, to remove the percentage, multiply by x. So here x is equal to 13,500 plus, okay, twice I written this step, no need to write, you don't need to write this right again. So here you can see that we will find the reduced form for this one. So 0 0 will be cancelled, 2 5s are 10, so 1 upon 5 plus x is there. So here this 1 upon 5 plus x, here we are writing this thing for your better understanding, multiply by x. Now this particular 1 upon 5, I can write down this thing as a, for example, 1 upon x, sorry, 1 multiply 5 multiply by x is there. So here I can multiply this thing, x multiply by 1, so x upon 5. So I can write this thing as like x upon 5. Similarly I will do this thing, so x multiply by 1, it will become x upon 5. So if I will change the side of this x upon 5, okay, we are writing that. Now if I will change the side of this x upon 5, it will become negative. So x minus x upon 5 is equal to 13,500. Now x minus x upon 5, the, so we need to take LCM. So LCM of 1 and 5 is how much, 5. So here if we will take the LCM and if I will multiply numerator with 5, I will get 5x minus x, and upon LCM is 5 multiplied by 30,500. So now 5x minus x, it will become 4x is equal to 13,500 multiplied by 5. So x is equal to 13,500 multiplied by 5 upon 4. So if you will solve this thing, so you will get 3,375 for the 13,500, and if you will do this thing that x is equal to 3375 multiplied by 5, you will get how much, 16,875. So the cost price of the machine is how much? It is 16,875. So at last we can write down that this thing. So price, cost price, CP of the washing machine or CP of the machine is rupees 16,875. We are Lego space, that's why. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. Here we are completing this one. If you are finding any query or doubt in this one, you may ask me in comment section. Whenever you are solving this type of question, only thing you need to keep in your mind is that is in the calculation. Many students are doing mistake in the calculation. So be very careful when you are solving this type of example during calculation. So thank you.